Already quite the looker, the Xperia XA may be in for a successor to bring its design up to date with the latest Xperia XA flagship. This alleged new model, with a name yet to be determined, has gotten some unofficial renders, complete with precise dimensions. If the source turns out to be on the money, the future 5-incher will keep this year's model's tight side bezels, measuring 145 by 66.8 by 7.99 mm. It's precisely as wide as the current XA. It may have gotten 1.5 millimeters taller, and 0.1 millimeters thicker, but who's going to notice? Another sign Sony is keeping up with the times even in the mid-range is the USB Type-C port, that would make it the third phone by the company to employ the symmetrical port after the Xperia XA and Xperia X Compact. It's good to see a 3.5 mm jack in the renders as well, but there's no fingerprint sensor to be found. As for looks, this potential next XA gets the flat top and bottom plates of the XZ, and the gentle curves on the sides of the back. Whether this will be its final form remains to be seen.